Hi friends, so I found these cute little snowman cookie jar things at our local antique shop for $2. Like not two a piece, but $2. So this guy is missing a hat, which I think is why it was so cheap, but we're gonna give him a little bit of a revamp with all this stuff you see here, which can all get, you can get all of it from the Dollar Tree. Yay! Here we go. So at this point, I'm thinking it's gonna take a few coats, especially on the red, but it's okay. I'm a patient person. We can do this. Second coat went on pretty good. I think I won't have to do a second coat on the eyes or the nose or anything, but I meant a third, but I will need a third on the mouths and the scar. I'm gonna probably let this dry for a little bit. Here's how the hat kind of looks after the effect. I'm gonna add like a white here and to the tops after that dries to make it look kind of snowy, you know? Anyway, I'll be back.